Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.
Cufflinks, fam. We're outside. We're outside. You know, it's the first time myself and the girls are going to New York in the winter. Really, it's not really winter yet, but it's the winter season. And we hear that it's going to be
Very
-3.
cold.
-3 when we are there. So we have a bit of packing to go. We have a bit of packing to do. We have a way to go with the packing. And my big issue is we have to buy all of these warm clothes and winter clothes and then Babs to come back in the heat.
Well, technically we're not coming back in the heat because the good thing is we can actually wear
Some of them in
some of the
Mandeville,
winter clothes
right.
here in Mandeville, especially when we're going out in the holidays in and around town. So it would still serve the purpose.
Yeah. So pack with us. It's going to be interesting. I was of the view that you usually pack light to go away, so you make sure people give you things to come back. But with all of these thick clothes, it's crazy. We'll see. I'm going to be wearing masks because the fabric can cause us to get a bit sniffly, especially the one around there. Actually, can see some of the fabric elements floating around.
Yeah, I can't, well, Brian either, but more so me.
Achoo!
I can't take the scent of clothes.
Not the fact that the clothes wash and smell nice, but just the fact that when you're moving them around, you're getting the fabric floating around. So you have bits of pollen and cotton and yeah.
Not pollen.
Yeah,
cotton.
I realize. Locks, man. Cha.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.
Halfway there. When you do this too, when you're packing, you put one foot or one shoe in one luggage and then the next one in the next luggage, just in case.
I think it's a habit from the days when things used to go missing. I don't know if they still do.
Right.
Well, it's not used to because I traveled probably the last year and something went missing. It's crazy because I didn't know people still do that. So what I've done is, I hope you can hear me. What I've done is I wrote, it's especially because we're traveling with the girls, we have to make sure that we are prepared.
Umbrella one is fully wired.
No, there's supposed to be a, oh.
The port is there, I don't see it.
So, especially because we're traveling with the girls, I made a list of all the days and what we're going to wear in the day and in the night. Just so that I don't leave off anything, because if it was just me and Brian, you know, could I wing it where some things are concerned, but with the girls we can't take no chance. So yeah, this is my list. So I have Bree, Bella, Bass, Bri. Each day that we're gonna be there, what for in the day and what for in the night. So organization in practice or in motion.
So if we left nothing.
If we left nothing, it's Brian's fault.
Oh. All comes, all comes.
Carry that suitcase somewhere near somewhere.
I want to know which one of her characters are going to be in, or which of the characters will be in F.I.R.E. Carrying any of them?
Maybe Bubbles. Maybe Bubbles. Or Nano Sense Ladasha, maybe?
Don't style like that. Like that. Just like that. Wasn't too hard. It's a couple of days. And 2 outfits per day, Mama says. She's looking on the list. Each of us have our knapsacks and just some small items left, like toiletries, right?
Medicine.
Medicine kit.
And Grandma says she wants breadfruit, so I'm gonna get breadfruit. And my brother wants some seasoning, so I'm gonna get some seasoning.
Chef Brent.
What else? So I'm writing down what I need to buy.
We didn't do too bad. I think it's basically a his and hers, and
I'm gonna buy another check-on
for them.
Because as it is, we put our what do you call it?
Our hand luggages are in the suitcases.
So there's not a lot of space in there.
Oh, but if we buy the check-on, we just use the one to come back for everything, so we spread out even more in these.
Right.
But then that'll be 5 pieces of something in the car and then come back. But yeah, packing is it's a doozy.
Say hi, Bria.
Hold on, Mama.
Alright, so we've gone through security and so the whole family's here. The whole family's here. Say hey!
Deuces.
And Peyton and Bria and Bella and Daddy. Bella, say hey, Cufflinks fam!
Hi guys. I'm gonna miss Jamaica for real. I'm gonna miss all of you in Jamaica. I'm gonna miss all of you in Jamaica.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had a bad day and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they bring us some light. Stuff from the cuffs.